Assalamu alaikum, brothers and sisters. It's your brother Amir Yusuf, here to inform you about a future emergency that is coming your way. It's actually right at your doorsteps, right around the corner, creeping up on you. Now, this emergency alert is to inform the original nation of brothers and sisters to let you know that we are living in the times of the abomination of desolation, that no one nor no news outlet, but damn sure Farrakhan, the son of a devil, the man of perdition, is not speaking of at all. But there is one who is speaking of this. That's the messenger of the covenant, Master Suleiman, the messenger of the covenant, son of man. He's here to give us that information about what's coming. That information he's giving us is the news. What is news, might you ask? NEWS, news. News stands for what's happening north, east, west, and south. Yes, that's the news. He's here to give us that news of what's going on currently, right now, in the Middle East, and how that will affect our everyday lives on a daily basis. The news that is occurring currently right now is the abomination of desolation. The abomination of desolation is being carried out by the hands of false Israel, also known as the synagogue of Satan. Yes, the synagogue of Satan. Know them by their acts. That means know them by their actions. Know them by what they're doing. What they're doing in the Middle East is the abomination of desolation. What that is a sinful, wicked, horrifying, destructive act acted out by the synagogue of Satan itself, false Israel. Now, this event will set off different chain of events in America. One event will be the national security alert. This national security alert will state to kill all blacks. This is right before false Israel's destruction. Times of unprecedented troubles in America. No gas, no power, no electric, no water, no utilities. Why is that? Because America will be kicked out of the Middle East. And with no fuel to fuel your economy, that means your reality will be snatched, gone in the blink of an eye. So just know, to prepare for this, you do and will need the 5 mathematical pillars of Islam. These mathematical pillars will help you and get you through tribulations that is coming to purify you back to your natural nature and natural habitat. It's your brother Amir Yusuf. Assalamu alaikum, brothers and sisters.